Hi everyone. Golden 100 Hours is an ebook I wrote many years ago. Starting today, I will introduce the most important contents of the book to you one by one in the form of short films. Today, let me first introduce the content of this book with an introduction. Hello everyone. Flower art and life are inseparable. For example, the bride enters the church with a flower bouquet. When opening a new store, you will be given a flower basket. Give a bouquet of flowers to show your love on Valentine's Day. Buy some flowers for decoration or gifts during the holiday. Therefore, flowers are a necessity of life. In recent years, the living standards of China, Hong Kong, and Taiwan have been greatly improved. The demand for flowers has also increased. Flower lovers are keen to learn flower art. Some people will buy flower art books for reference. Some people will go to the flower arrangement school to study. However, if you just read books to learn flower art, or go to a few flower arrangement classes hastily, is it good for beginners to do this? Or did you unconsciously get a negative impact? This book introduces some key factors. Yes, Golden 100 Hours is very important. The first 100 hours of learning are very important. It will affect your learning progress. It will also affect your future flower art creation. It will even affect your future career development. This book guides all flower arrangement beginners. How should you absorb some knowledge? A lot of pictures of elementary flower arrangement are displayed. It will also introduce the commonly used supplies for flower arrangement. Present all kinds of floral designs. In the future, I will help readers understand. Use video to improve everyone's flower art skills. Avoid unconscious and wrong learning. In this way, you can lay a professional foundation. Master the real flower arrangement skills and fun. Take a new milestone towards your flower art. That's all for today. In the next episode, we will discuss Golden 100 Hours with you again. Remember to give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, everyone.